Hello my weirdos, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this amazing dragon scale makeup tutorial. This is inspired by, I gotta find out what her name is. So this is inspired by Keilidh MUA. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Keilidh MUA. So shout out to her for doing an amazing job. Hers was based on Game of Thrones. Mine's just a Dragonite, or Dragonite, however you want to pronounce it. It's a human dragon hybrid, and that's paying homage to Miss C.M. Owens, who is an amazing author, not sponsored by the way. She's an amazing author, so if you guys want to check out her work, I would personally love if you would, because I am such a huge fan. I've read absolutely everything from this. This look is based off of her Deadly Beauty series. In there they have a Dragonite, which is a dragon human hybrid. So if you guys want to check her out, I will link her website or even maybe her Amazon books in this space down below. So continue watching to see how I did this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell even though it doesn't work. And tell me what you guys think of this tutorial down inside of the comments section below. I'm using Modeling Magic scales that I created. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and I'll leave a link down in the description for you that shows how to do those and how to color them. But I'm gonna try is the word, to create this 3D image here over my face using those and some Mehron Sin Wax. We'll see how it ends up turning out. I'm gonna start by taking and gluing my eyebrows down. Believe me whenever I say that I am super terrified that I'm gonna end up ripping out my eyebrows. I'm already pulling out hair. Oh god. We're gonna let that dry. Okay, so now that the glue is dried, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Wuchi Spirit Gum, and I'm gonna try to apply these. This is gonna be fun. I do have a reference picture here, so I'm hoping that I will be able to get this in the right spot. Now, if you're going to be using Spirit Gum, make sure that you have Spirit Gum Remover, and of course, tap it until it's tacky, as you can see, and then take your piece and apply it. Once you have one piece applied, go ahead and find another piece that you want, see how it's going to fit. Point, some of it's a little tacky still, so you should be able to just stick it there and see how it's going to look. I didn't like that one, so I'm going to go ahead and do a smaller one on. Pretty sure I have a smaller one that I can do. By the way, I don't suggest just ripping the Spirit Gum off. Probably not the best idea. They make remover for a reason. Especially when you're working around your eyebrows. Okay, there's that part. And then I have one of these that I've made for under my eye. Hopefully it will be about right. Once you're nice and sticky again, I must warn you, this is really hard to move. It's very stiff feeling once it's all dried. It does not feel like it's gonna come off, which is a good thing. It will last all day, but at the same time it's very hard to move. So from here we're gonna go ahead and start painting this, and I'm gonna do some faux scales here and do the eyes, and then this part will be done. So right now all I'm doing is dipping my brush into some mixing medium, and then I'm putting it inside of my dark blue because my scales are going to be blue and black. And you're wanting to make sure that you're getting behind the scales as well as under them, and kind of pulling upward and outward to create zigzag lines that way your makeup blends in to the skin better. Okay, now that I've got all of the dark blue done, I'm going to go in with my black, and I'm going to deepen up a lot of these areas in between everything and give the shadows some more depth. In this case, I'm going to be using a mica powder and a small eyeshadow or eyeliner brush. Again, dipping into my mixing medium and then dipping it into here. At this point, I'm just taking the black and putting it at the very bottom so that the scales themselves blend into my skin. As you can see, this is what it looks like so far. I'm making some faux scales right now to kind of tie it all in together so that it doesn't just look like BAM in your face. Okay, so for in here, I'm actually going to be using this color of blue inside of this palette. The reason why I'm using this color is because I want it to be a little bit brighter than the scales. But using a lighter color than what the scales are will really help the black pop whenever I draw in little scales. Now with that same color, I'm going to use it to lighten up some of the sides and bring them all together. Okay, so now I'm going to create my dragon eye with my mixing medium and my black eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going to use my small eyeliner brush and that black again, and I'm going to create small tiny little triangles to detail around the eyes. Now you can use a gel liner for this as well. There's a little bit of detailing now, and basically all that's left to do is to highlight most of these. So at this point I'm going to be using my small little detail brush again once it's clean, and I'm going to be using this color here to highlight the tops of these scales so that they really do pop. There you have it. There is this side done. As you can see, it is quite scaly looking. I did put a little dots here and there on my actual eyelid to try to make it look like it was a little scaly too. Glam up this side of my face a little bit. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I don't really have time to do all of the other stuff that I want wanted to do today. So maybe next time I will do one like this, but I will end up doing something a little bit more elaborate. Not quite just stopping this. I have to go pick Boo up, so I will show you guys the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, if you like this, to please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, happy hunting!